Unicrimp has emerged from the success of Scolmore Group and aligns with its core values. Its formation brings to the electrical contracting industry a comprehensive range of cable accessory products. Situated in the heart of the Midlands at our 48,000 square foot HQ, we're a family-run business that was established in 2013, reaching an annual turnover of £12 million from our extensive product line, with over 2,800 trading accounts providing a full network of wholesalers across the UK. Our 30,000 square foot warehouse and distribution centre allows us to stock over 1,000 product lines with a stock value of £2 million. We are able to offer 97% availability on stock at any given time. From our head office, we design, develop and manufacture for product distribution worldwide. Our outstanding level of customer service, high quality products and commitment to new product development ensure that we are focused on meeting the latest regulations. We provide a comprehensive collection of Unicrimp cable management consumables, which include tray tubs for commercial and public installations, the Q-Fire range that meets the latest fire regulations, Q-Nect junction boxes and connectors for outdoor use, along with our OB1 sealant available in a range of finishes. All coming together to make Unicrimp the market leader for cable management consumables.